In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set the Adam voice in Elevenlabs to sound human. To get started, open Elevenlabs and head to the text-to-speech section from the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you will be able to control how your voice output sounds and make the adjustments that help Adam feel more natural, expressive, and less robotic. Once you are in text-to-speech, go ahead and paste or type your script into the main text box. This is the content that Elevenlabs will read aloud. So it's a good idea to make sure your text is clean, well punctuated, and written the way you want it spoken. Even the best voice settings will sound better when the script itself is easy for the AI to interpret. Next, move over to the right side of the screen and look under Settings. From there, select Voices, then choose Adam from your voice list. After that, set the model to the latest advanced version available, such as 11 Multilingual V2 or V3. Using a newer model is important because later versions are generally much better at handling emotional tags, smoother pacing, and more realistic vocal inflection. In other words, the model plays a big role in whether the final result sounds flat or convincingly human. Now it's time to fine-tune the voice settings. Start with stability and lower it to somewhere between 30 and 45%. This setting has a major impact on how expressive the voice sounds. Lower stability allows for more variation and personality in the delivery, while higher stability tends to make the voice feel stiff, overly controlled, and robotic. Then set similarity to around 75 to 85%. This helps preserve the recognizable tone of Adam's voice, while still giving the AI enough flexibility to sound natural. If this is balanced well, the voice keeps its identity without feeling too locked in or monotone. After that, adjust style exaggeration to roughly 10 to 15%. This adds a light emotional boost to the performance, helping certain lines feel more alive without pushing the voice into sounding artificial or distorted. A subtle setting usually works best here, especially if you want polished and believable narration. Once you've finished making those changes, click Generate Speech. That will apply the settings and let you hear how Adam sounds with your script. If needed, you can always listen back and make small refinements, but these settings are a strong starting point for getting a more human result. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.